I have been working on the history of the judiciary in Vermont, trying to figure out who they were, who served on the court, and how they came to the law that they eventually articulated. I love the subject of Vermont legal history because it's a frontier. There is very little written about it. There were some judges who wrote some biographical sketches in the 1870s and 1890s and 1920s, but no one has done a really comprehensive look at the courts. The judges were people of great moment and great power, great intellect and experience, but they didn't know anything about the law. Good old Vermont, we borrowed from Pennsylvania for the Constitution, and we borrowed from Connecticut for the laws, and we then, modified it as we went along. I think it's interesting, for instance, that in the original criminal code, blasphemy, taking the name of the Lord in vain, was punishable by death. And in 1986, that crime was taken off the books. But over the course of all those 200 years, the punishment had been reduced to a $100 fine. So changing culture, changing approach to things, changing points of view, and that's really what's interesting to me, is how the law evolves or devolves or changes according to what we seem to need from it.